Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve OneDrive with the error code 0x80070430 in Windows 11 computer. So the Windows 11 error code 0x80070430 disrupts your work process by stopping file synchronizations, which results in documents getting stuck on your device or in the cloud. And most frequently due to unstable internet connections, firewall or antivirus intrusions, old OneDrive applications, and corrupted app data. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to check internet connections. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter I on your keyboard to open Windows settings. And once open up this Windows settings, and then at left side menu, and then you need to select system, and on right side, and then scroll down, and then select troubleshoot settings, and then click. So here at troubleshoots, and then you need to select other troubleshooters. And here again at other troubleshooters, and then you need to select network and internet. And on right side, then you can see here the run, and then you need to click this run settings. So we will redirect here at help and support. So all you can see here the step-by-step procedure and method to fix the error. Then you need to follow one by one to fix this issue. Alright. So once you're done here at help and support, and then we need to close the settings, and the other solutions that we're going to do is to allow through firewall settings. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type control panel, and then click open. And then once you open up this control panel at top right corner, and then click this arrow and select category. And then you need to select system and security. And then here at system and security, and then you need to select Windows Defender Firewall, and then click. And then at left side menu, and then you need to select allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, and then we need to click the settings. And then on right side, so you can see here now this allow apps to communicate through Windows Defender Firewall, allowed apps and features. And then you can see here this change settings, and then you need to tap this. And next step, so you need to find and locate this OneDrive. So scroll down and then find this OneDrive. Alright, so you can see here this OneDrive, and on right side, then we have the option here, this private and public. All you have to do is to check this box. Alright, so check this private, and then the other one is the public, check. And once you're done here, and then click OK. Alright, and the other solutions that we're going to do, and then close this Windows Defender Firewall. And the next solutions we will do is to repair and reset OneDrive. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then type OneDrive. And then you need to right click and select this app settings. So here at app settings, and then you need to scroll down and then locate this reset. So if this app isn't working right, then we can try to repair it. And then you need to click this repair and wait to complete the repair process. Right, so repair process complete. And then next step, so if this app is still isn't working right, so it's still the error is still persists, then you need to click this reset, and this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details, and then click reset and wait to complete the reset process. Okay, so reset procedure is complete, and then we need to close, and then we need to restart. Alright, so click this restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix OneDrive with the error code 0x80070430 in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.